we're from Cowanesque Valley, and today we're at Game and Iron to learn how cool manufacturing is.
This is Josh Gaiman. He is the owner of Game and Iron. Game and Iron is a family-owned, operated company since 1976. They specialize in welding, metal fabrication, working with local farmers, homeowners, and contractors. It currently resides in Knoxville, PA.
I'm Brandon Furr.
What do you do here?
Well, I am currently the general manager.
And what's your name?
My name is Mike Roberts. I'm the HR manager here at Game and Iron.
Okay, I have a question about the lampposts. How heavy are they?
I would say they're pushing 400 pounds apiece.
Yeah, it's pretty close. It's cast aluminum. They're lighter than you would think, but they're still, just because of the size of them, they're probably about 400 pounds.
Was this your guys' first job choice?
For me, it was not. So for me, I went to school for business, and I worked in the hotel management industry for 10 years.
At my first management job, I was actually the youngest supervisor in a multi-billion-dollar corporation.
Manufacturing can include many cool things like these machines shown in the image. Manufacturing can also include many cool products. This is why manufacturing is so cool. Come check it out for yourself.